Faced with the power of his revolting subjects, Louis XVI finally accorded recognition to the National Assembly. So finally, in order to suppress the revolt, what did Louis XVI did? He finally recognized the National Assembly as a party and accepted the principle that his power would be checked by the constitution, which was established by the National Assembly. On the night of 4th August 1789, the assembly passed a decree abolishing the feudal system of obligation and taxes. So finally, on the night of 4th August 1789, the National Assembly passed a law which abolished the feudal system, that is the zamindari system, and finally they also stopped the taxes. That means the third estate, which they were paying the taxes to the king, that was abolished. Tithis were abolished and land owned by church were confiscated. So the tithis tax was abolished and the lands which was owned by the church was taken from them. As a result, the government acquired asset worth at least 2 billion libras. So at the end, what did the government acquire? The asset, that means the property, or you can say the advantages, the properties of at least 2 billion libraries. So imagine the amount. So as you can see in this picture, this is the spread of the Great Fear. So the green section is the reason not affected by the Great Fear. So these are the reason which was not affected by the fear. That means the minor fear, which I have already explained you in the previous video. So these are the places where the minor effect was not affected, and the brown area, or you can say the cream area, is area of agrarian revolt early 1718. So these are the area where there was a revolt taking place, and the dotted one is epicenter of the main panic movement. So these are the places where there was a panic attack, or you can say the panic was more about the minor. Over here you can see, and the arrow one is the spread of the Great Fear. So from here it was spreading in different parts in the France. So these are the places where the fear was spreading.